Hello guys.
Hello guys and welcome to my channel.
Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Yana and you are very welcome here. I hope you're going to be enjoying today's video because we are actually doing a makeup challenge. I've seen so many people doing foxy eye makeup look and I thought I need to do it ASAP. It is so iconic. It just looks amazing. Exactly what we need today. We need to challenge ourselves to see if we can do the same. If you haven't seen this picture, it is by Demie and she inspired so many people. This is her. Beautiful. She inspired so many people to do a foxy eye makeup look. It's not only just the way she represents it in this picture. People have been doing it with lots of color, very natural looking, and there have been very interesting variations of this. So I really felt inspired and wanting to do the same. As you can see, my face has been prepared a little bit. I do have just normal routine that I do on my face. So I used my simple moisturizer as my primer. Then we moved on to foundation and I used Infallible L'Oreal foundation in shade Vanilla. Then I used my concealer by Makeup Revolution. It's called Conceal and Define and it's in C1 shade. Then we set up the face with Mercier translucent powder. Then we moved on to eyebrows and I tried to make them look quite natural today. I mean, they don't look any different to whatever I try to do every day. Before I jump in trying to do the foxy eyes, I want to just say a massive thank you for you guys to subscribing to my channel. We reached 200 subscribers and I can't just express how grateful I am for that. Thank you so much. So the next challenge for us is to reach 500 subscribers and I truly believe it is possible. So you can help me to do that. Be a legend and subscribe to my channel and that would be pretty awesome. Without any further ado, let's try the foxy eyes, shall we? Tape. We need a tape today and I'm just gonna cut off a little tiny piece. Let's do this. Beautiful. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Real. So what we've done, we put some sellotape just as our guideline for our wing that we're going to be doing. So I'm going into Jaclyn Hill palette. It's brilliant, love it. We're going into this shade over here. It's actually my most used shade out of all of them pretty much. I find that this shade looks very similar to the one she has. So I'm gonna go right into the corner and all the way down. It's very sharp, so we're gonna try to do that. I'm gonna go into this deeper color and try to build up the corner of the eye just very slowly. Okay, that looks pretty good so far. I think I'm doing something. The next thing I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be using this dark color just next to the other one and we're gonna use that to create this sort of like darker wing. And I'm gonna grab a brush, get a very precise brush, that's what you need. Kind of draw in that sort of line of a wing. Yeah. The moment of truth, we are taking off the sellotape really slowly. I mean, I'm ready to lose. Am I? What do we think? I don't know. This eye was supposed to be the better eye, but this eye looks better than this eye. How does it even work? I mean, not gonna give up. Not yet. It's not time. I personally think I've done it way too high because it looks more of a like that. Yeah. We've done it a little bit way too high. What have I done? What have I done? Why? Why me? Why me? Why me? Do I give up? Do I give up? Do I give up? What is this? What is this? I don't even know what I look like. I clearly don't look like a fox. Look like a crazy woman. You know what? You know what? That will do. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to feel. I don't know what to think. I don't know what to do anymore. Shall I just give up now and go cry? Because this is clearly not what's meant to be. It just doesn't look right. Doesn't look right. Doesn't look right. Can someone send me help? Please. Jeffree Star maybe, or like Mitchell, or maybe Nikki Tutorials could help me. That would be great. Thank you.
The next day.
I just had a little meltdown. We're gonna move on now to under eye area. So I'm gonna go back into that lighter brown, and I'm just gonna go underneath my lash line. Great, fantastic, looks fabulous, just the way I wanted it. Why you always lying? Why you always lying? Definitely look like a fox, but maybe not a good fox. Anyways, I'm gonna now try to do my eyeliner with the Little Mix Cosmetics LMX, and I'm gonna try to do this sort of like inner corner extension that I can see is there in the image. Beautiful, just perfect, innit? Oh god, where did you learn to do makeup? I actually didn't. I didn't learn anywhere. I certainly don't look fabulous. We're not gonna give them up. We're gonna try as hard as we can. In the picture, it doesn't look like she has any highlights pretty much in the inner corner or underneath her brow, but I just want some because it makes it look better, and I need anything that would help me to make it look better. I'm gonna go into this kind of like very kind of very sheer white and put it in inner corner and just underneath, just extend that brow. I mean, it doesn't look great, but you know what, my camera is kind of dying and I don't have any spare batteries in this house, so I have to charge it up a little bit. But while I'm waiting, I'm gonna put some lashes on and I'm gonna return back to completing my face. Yeah, anyway, see you in a bit. Okay, your girl is back with lashes, and let's just say that I knew the lashes gonna make this look a lot better. Let's just pretend that I wanted this look to look like this all the way through. Maybe the colors I used are a little bit darker than the ones on the picture. Maybe I used too much of a brown. Who knows? If you want to know which lashes I used, they're actually really nice. They are called F8. On there, but it's upside down. They are called F810 and they're available on eBay. If you like wispy lashes and kind of more natural looking ones, then these ones are for you for sure. Anyway, let's move on to my face before my battery dies again, and today we are going to be using what we usually use. Shock. Today I'm using NYX Matte bronzer in deep tan, and we're gonna just try to make it as close as possible because it's quite like raised up like this, so I'm just gonna do it like that. She has a beautiful, very sharp cheeks, and we trying to do that. Going around my face, just trying to create a sort of bronzed look. I'm gonna use a tiny bit of the Revolution blush. I'm gonna use the red toned one over here that I usually use, and I'm just gonna go again very close to kind of outer corners of my face rather than going in the middle. And no, it doesn't look like she's wearing any highlighter on there, but I do want to put some highlighter just because I'm a highlighter freak. That's why. So I'm gonna put Oh, I'm gonna put this beautiful highlight tone from the Revolution Pro 4K highlighter palette. It's beautiful, but I'm gonna try to put not too much, just a tiny bit, kind of bring the cheeks out as much as possible. And my nose and just upper lip. Now we're gonna move on to our lips. I'm gonna use a few products today. We're gonna line our lips with a little mix eyeliner, One Touch. I'm gonna try and make them look as dimensional as possible. And then I'm just gonna put the Jeffree Star Celebrity Skin on top. I'm gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna put a clear lip gloss on top. And yes, I'm nearly done, nearly done, nearly done. Okay, and then I'm using PS My Perfect Nude lip gloss. And then I'm gonna draw a little tiny birthmark just here. That didn't work. Why me? Why me? Why me? Why me? Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna do the hair. Okay, let me grab some gloves. Truth is coming out. Okay, well, guys, the challenge is over. I don't know what you think. If I succeeded or I failed. I would say my eyes are definitely a lot darker than hers. But I think apart from that, everything else looks quite similar. I hope. I actually really like this look. I could just go and find some foxes and speak to them now, you know? Thank you so much for being here. I mean, thank you for watching me. Thank you for struggling with me. You're amazing for being here. You're a legend. Guys, I'm asking you for a massive favor. Please subscribe to my channel. We need to reach 500 subscribers and you could be part of that team. Just think about it. 500. It's so possible if you take part of it. Just subscribe down below and you will be a legend. Yeah. That's it. Bye.